Okie dokie. Okay. So, hmm, ba't hindi siya naka-center? Wait. Okay. Yeah, we join our adventurers after the rather gruesome battle that they just went through. Um, the party was fighting on two fronts. There were strange aberrations that attack Valen and Father Kalos as they are partaking uh, in breakfast in the dining hall along with the person who introduced herself as Talia and as well as Gundren. And meanwhile, on the other side of the castle ruins, we have Benny, Willoughby, and Barbara, led on by Nick Nick, telling them that there are monsters in the southern southwestern end of the castle, and upon stepping into the darkened hallways, they are surprised by a bugbear with strange glowing eyes, as well as the aberrations known as the Gricks that look like floating brains with tentacles for appendages. Um, During the attack, Pilkin, with the help of his Purple Hat clan, um, decided to lend what little support they can to the party, to Pilkin's newfound friends, using the ballista arrows in embedded into the walls of the Cragmaw Castle, um, helping Father Kalos and Valen defeat these strange aberrations. In the middle, in the during the heat of combat, something strange happened to Talia. She was viciously attacked and mentally fighting. Um, the weird psychic wave caused by these Gricks, causing her to perhaps lose her composure, reducing her form to that of a strange humanoid shaped gray blob. And yeah, so that's where we will pick up. Father Kalos was pulled back from his place of worship, question mark, by Valen. And yeah, so what does the party do, or what does the how does the party react, particularly Valen and Father Kalos?
I'll just look at Valen like menacingly.
Hmm.
Uh, I will stay quiet. I'm not gonna say anything. My lips are sealed.
Charlie, Charlie, nothing suspicious is happening over yonder while I'm over here. I don't even know where they are.
um as you walk over there, oh no,
Oh,
no,
not
no, 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 no.
oh.
You're just going back to this hall that you were in. Earlier
Eh,
in the day, the artifacts that you saw, the sensor, the dagger, and ano ulit to? Wait, let me go back. This is area. Okay, so yeah, you step back into the shrine where Nick told you this was where the goblin priestess used to perform rituals. You see the same three piece or the same artifacts on the stone altar, the censer, the chalice, and the dagger.
hmm. Oh, Benny. Well, I don't know any significance of these, so I'm not gonna touch them. As I established,
Benny's
I don't deal with no ritualistic manifesting capability items.
Benny is like holding his strange staff. Oh no, that's what she said.
Benny,
Um,
why are you just having your staff out in the hall?
just staring at the black wood. Oh no, that's not any better. Staring
Oh,
at his strange looking weapon. Seemed to be in a trance. Willoughby is groaning in pain as
where's
he.
Willoughby, actually?
Willoughby is back in the area that you were in where
Ah,
you fought.
I put him in my backpack. Okay, Willoughby, you're coming over. All
Nick
right.
Nick
Can I
slipped out
smack?
of the
Can I
walls.
slap? Can I slap Benny out of his trance?
Um you can, but like he looks at you. Huh? Oh, I'll join you guys later. I'm just gonna look at
Oh,
my staff for a bit.
damn. All right. Far be it from me to get in between a man and his staff. Hmm. Uh, huh. Uh, did I know if the purple hats said anything about any other Gricks in the
Mm,
area?
no, so far that's the only area with na main area of concern.
Oh, guys, you will not believe it. Brains attacked us. Willoughby is dying, and Benny is high from his staff.
I was in the arms of my god. Valen took it from me.
Damn, and I thought Benny was high. What are you guys up to?
I saved him
Maybe,
from dying.
maybe it's a sign. You guys need to believe in Joe Hendry.
And I'd rather not.
Why? Why? I mean,
That's your guy, man.
I
Not mine.
saw him. I
Yeah.
saw him. Wait,
My one true god, John Cena, begs to differ.
ba't nawala yung
Oh.
ano? What?
Hmm?
May parang alien kanina. What?
Oh, that was the
Give what's your passive perception?
Wait, what?
What's your passive perception?
Ako ba?
Oo, Father Carlos.
Sorry,
Sige,
sorry.
pass.
Kasi kanina
It's
may
okay. It's
15?
okay.
15?
15. Anong tiga-magic niya dito? Wait, what's her tiga-magic? You definitely noticed that. Did Valen made the comment with what he saw?
No.
No. Okay, so with the passive perception of 15, you saw the strange gray humanoid kinda slip into like the ruined walls, slip behind the ruined walls, and then just walk. And then you see like a disgruntled looking Talia. She looks bruised and battered, but seems physically fine.
Maybe it was all just a dream. Hey Barbara, can you slap me?
All
Oh
right, I
wait.
slap
No.
him with
No.
all
No,
modifiers and
no. With one finger, one finger.
okay, I slap him with a finger.
Mm-hmm.
He should be fine. Did you get the same thing that Benny is experiencing? No. Were
I
you
don't
also
know.
looking at your wood?
Anyway, I don't know. I think it was just me. I'm still looking at Valen. Like, what happened back there, by the way?
Oh, some brains attacked us. And you'd think Willoughby would be good against them because he's brainy, but no. He's almost dead.
I actually shot them with my fire, so I don't really know.
Yeah, but you also decided to run into the room, walk towards one, and then die.
Yeah, it seemed cool at the moment. I didn't know.
And Benny, he's now kind of busy with his staff, if you know what I mean.
Okay.
Wait, Will died?
No, he's
Wait,
almost dead.
really?
He's over here, and I pull him out from my backpack. It's like, he's Willoughby. He's hurt.
Ilan HP yan?
Hey, high five! Wait, parondi, please. It's okay. It's what you call a blessing, Willoughby. Wait,
Um,
is Will okay?
not right now. I think I used up my magic resources, so I'm just gonna chill here with Nick, if you guys don't mind. I cannot do a Willoughby impression.
Where's Ben?
Just do an annoying voice. Can do.
He's admiring his staff.
Anong gusto nyo bang gawin? Like, can we investigate or I don't know, check on the dead?
Okay, well, if you ask me, the humanoid now that looking like Talia asked, anong passive insight ni Valen tsaka ni Father Kalos?
Inside. 15?
12.
Oh,
15?
over the 12. With the 15, Valen, a bit of your spidey sense kind of tingle, because like you saw
No, I'm at 12.
12, yeah, with the 12, um yeah, with the 12 and the 15, because definitely you guys saw what happened or what Talia looked like earlier. Surprisingly, Gundren does not seem surprised. But yeah, with an insight of 12 and 15, it, I don't know, parang for some reason, hindi kayo nagulat na hindi siya nagulat, I guess. So yeah, it depends whether you're gonna bring it up. But like, as long as someone's not bringing anything up, Talia's gonna say, okay, look, if you ask me, I think it's high time we should leave here. It's still about midday. We can still go back to Fandolin at the earliest, by tomorrow, before dawn, or um in 2 days time, just before dawn. Look, I don't want to face any more of whatever those features are. But if you want to stay here, be my guest. I'll be escorting Master Gundren back to Fandolin by myself if I have to.
I mean, at this point siguro, I mean, alam namin ni Valen na si ano yun, yung kanina.
Um, Hindi mo na Valen was the one who definitely saw the transformation, but with
Oh,
your
okay.
passive perception na 15, tapos hindi
Mhm.
nag-react si Gundren, you can easily easily put the pieces together. Father Kalos.
Nah. Siguro ano muna, patay mali siya.
Yun ang running team ng party, I think.
Yeah. I mean, what about you guys? Barbara? Valen?
So pissed.
Do you still not like me? Do you prefer not to get? Do you prefer to die? I think I can help you with that.
Nah, I trust you.
I mean, all in all,
Next time.
we're here for Gundren.
Gundren like whispers to Talia. I don't even remember hiring him, but okay. Probably a +1.
No, you guys are here for Gundren.
I know.
I mean, if I'm gonna be honest, I don't even
I mean-
remember him.
Well, you have dementia.
Oh, I did. I forgot about that.
You want me to heal you guys? Are you guys okay?
I don't want any healing from you, that's for sure.
Did you heal
What?
us? Do you actually have heals?
Do you? I don't.
I just...
Last time you said you were gonna heal someone, they died.
What? No, they were healed.
All right, I guess.
I mean, for some odd reason, so I'll take a book, like a book with human skin. For some odd reason, there are new spells that I have, and I don't know how this works. Maybe next time.
I think when you communed with Joe Henry, he gave you more spells.
Maybe. Okay, I think this is the second coming.
Huh?
Because
You're what?
I mean, because Joe Henry told me to make more followers to maybe this is a second chance. Maybe
You want to test one of those new spells on Barbara?
Ah, yes, I'd like to tell you. See how much you can heal me for.
You
I-
want?
I don't know what you said you were gonna heal, right? Actually,
I'll
you should try it on Willoughby. He's He's very injured. He needs
Oh
healing.
wait. Nasan yung pinatay nila Barbara pala? Like
Eh?
yung katawan niya.
It's way over there.
Nandun pa sa, yeah. They pretty much just left it there.
Wait. Where's the owl bear? Tama?
Yung owlbear was back at the ruined fort kasama nung parang druid.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, hindi sila sumama sa inyo.
Hindi kasi humanoid tong mga nasa paligid eh.
I mean, technically, goblins are humanoid, so...
Anyway, guys, should we go with I mean, yun lang naman yung natin ah.
Pilkins speaks up, having slipped out of the weird gaps of the castle walls. Guys, okay, I cannot thank you enough for helping us clean up. Well, I'm not really sure if we're actually gonna stay in this place because we definitely don't wanna encounter more of those creatures. These creatures, look at that. Are they supposed to be like jellyfish or something? Are these like fucked up jellyfish?
Those are brains.
It's what's
Ugh.
inside you.
Oh,
You have a brain inside you. I hope.
I mean, that's kind of derogatory, isn't it? Like, I have a brain.
You do.
Yeah. Goblins have brains. Look, just because we're diminutive creatures doesn't mean we don't have brains. I mean, of course, clan tactics really play a big part of our social structures. But we have brains. Come on, guys. We've been traveling together for a few days now.
I believe him.
Yeah,
Thank you, Barbara.
I mean, I trust you.
Thank you, Father Colossus. Kinda looks at Valen expectantly, maybe hoping for an acknowledgement.
You're
I
alright.
don't know.
You're an alright guy.
Oh,
So what's the plan now with your clan?
I guess I'm gonna gather everyone and then we're gonna head. It's a long way back to Waterdeep. But as long as we get everyone together, we're just gonna travel. But I think there's still some provisions. We can prepare provisions for everyone. We're gonna go our separate ways. Anyway, so we can split
So wait,
the food.
You're gonna gather all the goblins and march to Waterdeep?
Oh, no, not all the goblins. Just me and my cousins and my uncles and my aunts.
Okay.
Yeah. We're not gonna. Okay, we're not gonna launch an attack on Waterdeep. Come on. I'm a businessman. Come
Like-
on.
So, I mean, sounds fair.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
But if you do want to keep safe while you're traveling to Waterdeep, you should hold out torches and weapons just as you're walking into the city. Just just to be safe.
Yeah.
Is
You need
he
light
smart
sources.
enough?
There might be some
No.
monsters.
Yep.
Is
Yeah,
he
you need to
smart
defend
enough?
yourself.
Well, that sounds like a good, it also helps us be seen, and maybe
Yeah,
if
see,
we have,
if they see you in the shadows, you're like, oh, they're sneaking around. There might be trouble. But when you have torches, they see you in the light. It's like, oh, friendly goblins.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
a good idea. And if we have our weapons out, that means we're not gonna, shiv them in the gut while they're not looking, because we already have the weapons. Well, I don't really use weapons.
You ship people in the gut. That's
You should. It is very dangerous out there.
that's very dangerous.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna think on it, but do you guys think maybe we can sell parts of these brain creatures? Rods and bolts and
Whoa.
You really are a businessman.
yeah, I mean that's why I have the bubbles and spells. Weird wizards. Wizards and their components.
I mean, I think they can be an ingredient for something.
Yeah, probably not a good soup, but hey, wizard boy! Shouts at Willoughby. The wizards have components like thorny tentacle appendages or something. I don't know. I'm gonna have to consult my
Maybe you
lenders.
guys should replace your hats to this one. Then points at the.
I've never seen Willoughby use his thorny appendage, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, he probably looks like a weak wizard or something. I don't know.
He is pretty weak.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm just gonna study these guys. My cousins will prepare
Damn, somebody
Wolf.
touch him about me. Ah!
Oh, he's dying in the background.
Yeah, I'm just gonna poke at these stuff for a second, and I'll be ready when if we're leaving today. Are we leaving today, lady? Looks at Barbara.
I'm not sure I should be the one you should ask. I have dementia. I look over at Carlos and Valen. You guys, we're leaving today.
Yeah, I mean, do you want to stay here?
No.
I mean,
Well, we could put
we
this
don't
as
have
a
followers to
base of
ask.
operations kind of deal.
I need new followers. I need them alive first. I mean, I need them alive.
Are these guys your followers? Have they been indoctrinated?
Wait, naniniwala ba sila Pilkit? I think not.
Sa Pelkin, hindi, but I don't know. Some of the goblins, well, at least the purple hats could be. They might be persuaded. It depends. Okay,
What
look,
if
are we-
patay na tas i-heal natin ang recruit?
What?
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 Sabi ni Bapin sa com shop, dun sa chat.
Unahin
What
natin
if
si
patay
ano,
na,
unahin
tas
natin
i-heal
si
natin?
Lobby.
Ah, okay.
I mean, I have a new quote-unquote revive spell. Willoughby, you want to be the first?
I think he really wants to be the first.
I mean, if you're
Right.
looking for dead bodies, I think there's like Nick
Well-
Nick
well-
speaks up. They left the bugbear and the other hall where the monsters were. So I don't know. I don't want to be recruited. I like Luthluvian.
I mean, let's go. If that's the case, then we need to go out now. I need new followers. Joe Henry will be mad at me.
Okay. So if the party's gonna leave, I wanna say you have like an hour to prepare. You can also short rest if you want.
Short rest.
Yeah.
Short rest? No.
Imagine resting.
Imagine resting. What do I look like? Some old grandma? Yeah, I'm short rest.
Short rest.
How much do I have? Short rest. Fuck, bro.
How many hit dice can you roll again when you short rest? Can you roll?
Until your level.
Yeah,
Yeah, how much?
you guys are level 5. Don't worry.
Let's see. Why did it only roll one?
Yeah, I also just rolled one.
Okay, wait. Short rest. It's God, D&D Beyond, man.
I think pag dyan, yung manual mo, i-click yung roll for health, something.
Pwede ba ubusin?
Yeah. You can.
Oh.
Guys, that's why I made you short rest. I don't wanna kill you guys. Come on.
Show Torreso.
Come on. You're not gonna die. Come on.
Right. I'm not gonna die. We're not. Huh? The fuck's wrong? Okay, I'll just do 40, 12 plus 12. Fuck it, I'll just manually type that out. Fucking 4, 3, 12. 32.
Ako, okay na ako. Ah.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
okay.
fine. I'm
Everyone
fine.
said, okie dokie.
Half of my HP bar. Not bad.
Okay, so yeah, after an hour, Pilkin was able to gather his skin.
Pilkin?
Yeah. And everyone is with everyone divided their provisions. It's a few days, maybe a week or so for them to Waterdeep, but for you guys heading back to Phandalin, it's about a day and a half at most. DM tip, if you guys yung sa artifacts that's like you can sell that for treasure just in case you want coin. Just
Ano yan?
in
Yung sa
case.
bugbear?
Yung nandito sa shrine na pinuntahan ni Barbara kanina.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
think Father Carlos had been there though, curiously enough.
So yun, parang before session, ay yung before nung previous.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It is how much ba? $330 gold pieces total if you guys wanna get it.
Alright, I'm taking it. Screw. Screw, I believe.
Wait,
That's
how
money.
much? How much?
330 kasi 180 plus 150.
Hey! Wait, what? We're taking that shit?
Okay. So, I guess you can just divide that one.
380 plus?
Ayun na,
One.
total na yun.
Ah, okay, 380.
380 tapos plus 50 gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, plus additional 50 gold for the party for escorting Gundren back to Phandalin.
Okay.
Yippee.
430.
Yeah.
Wala naman si Will, so baka pwede nating paghati-hatian yung Oo nga, tama, wala yung dalawa, divided by 3. Tama.
Kayo nga.
So, bale kung divided by 5, 86.
86.
Yeah, 86. Plus. Ooh, okay. That's a lot of gold.
And all the while, Valen and Father Carlos, the entire time that the party's like short resting, gathering provisions, cleaning up, you notice Talia just looking at you not sure if she's worried that not sure if she's worried or if she's like threatening you to keep silent, but she doesn't really do anything about it. The only time she just addresses you directly and verbally is like, um, okay, so are we set to leave, or do you wanna explore the castle and I don't know, maybe bring out any more of those monsters out in here?
Ikaw ba yung kalbo?
You say that in Infernal?
Yeah, in Infernal. Yup, Infernal na po guys. Filipino na talaga. Tagalog na talaga siya.
Ano naman kung kalbo ako?
Yo. Boy Abunda Maxing.
Susunod.
I mean, tinatago mo ba yun?
Parang lahat naman
Kami-
tayo may tinatago, di ba?
Sa bagay. Kami lang naman ni Valen nata ang nakapansin. So I guess sa akin, okay lang. I don't know, hindi ko lang sure kay Valen.
Yeah, I heard from Valen's kind of racist. No.
Kinda.
Kinda. Just kinda.
Uh, she like steps away a bit from Gundren. Ganito na lang. Itago mo yung mga tinatago mo. Itatago ko yung mga tinatago ko. Okay lang ba yun?
Okay, deal. Wait, may buntot si Talia?
Wala.
Wala?
Wala.
What the hell?
Actually,
Because,
not all tieflings have tail. Oh, that's kind of racist.
Oh, okay, sorry. Gusto ko sana mag-pinky swear pero gamit yung buntot.
Wala siya. Unfortunately, wala siyang buntot.
Unfortunately,
That
wala.
means
Oh, sige.
She can never pinky promise. She can lie.
So I'll just put my hand on my chest and bow and say nothing.
Okay. Will Valen address Talia or just keep quiet?
Keep quiet.
Okay.
I'm watching you.
She shrugs. Eh,
Parang
siya
stalker
to si-
lang ah.
Kasama yun si Gundren.
yeah, kasama
Probably.
nga si Gundren. Like, Gundren's like, alright lads, and madam, I believe it's time to head back on the road. I'm not really looking forward to but there are of course missives and condolences to be done once I'm back and once we're back in Phandalin, and hopefully my brothers are faring a lot better than I have. Yeah, let's all head back to the road. And let me just hindi siya kasama. Okay. Let me copy you guys to the roadmap. Oh, as you left the castle, can someone give me? Okay, I'll be right back. Can someone give me like a nature check? It's pretty obvious. DC 10.
Alright.
Either nature or survival check. Yeah. Give me- I'll be right back.
Survival.
Oh no.
I could have done
Survival, guys. Holy shit.
Survival. I'm stupid. I can't see anything.
Okay. With Barbara still kinda reeling from the previous
Not just my
combat.
cataract.
Dami natin.
During the fork in the road, Pilkin and his clan says their farewell. Farewell, guys. I'll write letters. And then maybe maybe when you're in Waterdeep, and we have established our shops there, you can give us a visit. I'll give you guys some discounts. Bye. And then the Goblin clan
Bye.
goes their own way. A few miles later, Pilkin realizes belatedly that he does not have any of your addresses. So I guess he's not gonna write
Well,
after
we know
all.
where he lives.
But yeah,
Hmm.
with the 14 and an 18 from Valen and Father Kalos, Valen especially, do you have yeah, Valen with an 18 especially, you notice that the foliage around the Cragmaw Castle and the surrounding path sa woods are thicker, and you notice familiar dark wood or familiar looking wood rot. You have definitely seen this type of wood rot sa abandoned sa Thunder Tree, that abandoned village where you were asked to like fetch something, but when also where you met the wizard.
Okay, there
And
were more of those trees.
yep, and yeah, you notice na parang kumakalat na siya. You notice hmm, there are poisonous looking plants that weren't that yeah with an 18 you were sure that weren't here nung naglakad kayo papunta dito sa path na to a few days ago. And with that, nothing too weird. With that, can someone give me a by at this point, we are approaching noontime. Can you give me can someone roll me a D10?
Sino ang maswerte ngayon, guys?
Well, considering my survival of nature check, I should do it. A
Go,
D10, you
D10,
say?
D10. Go,
A
guys.
D10. D10, these nuts. A 3.
Oh,
Oh, sakto.
a 3? What? Ano yung sakto? What?
Oh, there's 3s around.
Yeah, there's trees around. Passive perception, I have 12 from Valen. Or was it 12 or 15? 18. Okay. 18 passive perception for Father Kalos and Barbara.
15. Perception?
Yes.
15.
Kay Barbara.
My passive?
Yeah.
14.
Okay, good enough. As you approach the path, near yung parang near sa Thunder Tree-ish area, you notice yung thicker foliage. And it seems that the woods seem suffocating, which is weird. And also, the sun seems to be a little dimmer. You also notice drag paths that were not made by goblins or hobgoblins or ogres or bugbears. These are like long and deeper drag paths on the ground with a passive of anything above a 10. You see wood chunks like dark wood chunks similar to Benny's staff in these wood chunks. And ay, ano to? And you know, with this, I would like everyone to wait, tapos na pala to. Oh. Yeah, can everyone please roll me initiative. Hindi
No.
naman to surprise round.
Wait lang, kakabalik ko lang initiative.
Ooh,
May
ooh.
Ooh. Well, because I got really lucky with my roll.
initiative.
Oh.
21.
Let's go.
Oh, I didn't send my thingy. I got an 11.
Guys, please click your wait lang, update ko na lang yan.
I
Um,
uploaded it.
Jello, can you click your token tas reroll mo? Lagay na lang natin yung 21.
Ah, sige.
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
any one of you want to be first, guys? Favor? Pwede ba yun, DM? Like, kunyari.
Kung meron silang alert feat
Ah, okay. So, ano lang, akala ko parang pwede ibigay yun. Anyway.
sa ano. Ngayon maganda tayo sa Pathfinder. I too miss the initiative delays. Ay, wait.
Oh.
Public naman yan. Okay. Yeah, you basically just see the path surrounding. Pinarol ko lang kung ilan yung ano.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
More followers.
I mean, they're zombies. But
Oh,
technically,
great.
they still can be followers.
Again with the
Technically.
zombies.
So, it's siya. Ito. Ito. Ay! Nah, okay, just one of them can just go first. And then the other. Put you in here. And it's just a short fight. You guys can do this. I can allow you one movement before we start combat. Talia's just gonna move in front of Gundren to protect him. Let me just pull out her stat block. They should have. Ooh, that's rough. Okay. Kanyang eye. So I guess I'll just put her. Whoop. Okay, and with that, yeah. Let me just change the music. Should have had it in a playlist. Oh man. Bakit ayaw niya mag-play? Ito na lang para iba naman. God damn, okay. Ano gagawin mo, Father Kalos?
What the hell? Hey, hey,
Oh,
hey.
hey.
Wait lang. Hinaan ko lang.
Sige lang.
Naano ko eh. Wait. Are those plants?
You recognize them as twig blights. Basically, petrified trees. Now, some trees that can, also fuck you up.
Okay.
You guys can handle this. I believe in you.
Wait lang. Huh. It's equal to nakita ko ba, nakita na ba namin lahat yan? Like,
Oh, yeah. Parang hindi naman sila nagtatago.
okay, sige. Siguro, I will use... Ay, hindi. Tsaka na to. Ano muna? Ito muna. Kasi hindi ko pa nagagamit to eh. Paano ba to?
See your undead. When you can roll d8s equal to your wisdom modifier, add the rolls together, each undead. Basically turn undead and then undead that fails against the turn radiant damage equals basically like turn undead na parang instead lang na aalis sila, they also get radiant damage. Tapos affected pa rin sila ng turn undead, so hindi maka-cancel out na babalik sila.
So, yung turn undead ba, is it a spell?
It's an action.
Ah, okay.
Hindi siya,
It's an action.
hindi siya, it's a skill ng mga cleric, quote-unquote cleric, looks into the camera. It's a
I
feat.
know.
It's a surprise tool that will help us later.
Okay. I mean, siguro I'll try to... So, I assume touch to? Kung di ako nagkakamali.
Actually, hindi. Turn undead,
Hindi naman.
it's within 30 feet.
Wala akong nakalagay rito.
Turn
30
undead,
feet.
yeah, 30 feet of you, wisdom throw sila.
Sige nga, I'll try. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit
I
eh.
mean, you
Kahit naman ka,
can...
paano?
You can move siguro dito para abot mo sila. If you can move 20 feet. Tapos from...
Like here?
Yep. So from where you are, abot mo sila lahat.
Yeah, I guess I'll move here, then try to attack this. I mean, turn
You
undead
can attack.
this. Ano ba?
Action kasi ang turn undead. Tapos yung sa feet mo, roll ka ng D8 kung ilan yung modifier mo ng wisdom. Tapos
Okay.
yun yung radiant damage nila. Tapos turn sila kung magfe-fail sila ng magfe-fail sila ng wisdom save.
Sige, I'll try.
So that would be 30
Turn undead. As a magic
feet
action, you present your holy... Oh my god.
each
Hindi
undead.
holy yung sa akin.
I mean,
Okay, I mean...
it's holy in a way that you use it to revere your god. And we're not gonna discriminate here, right? So, 30 feet. Let me put like a quick circle.
Tapos, ang sabi,
Wait, supposed to say
D8 sa wisdom. So, plus 5?
this. Yep, 5d8.
So, 5d8.
Yes.
So, do I need to roll a 5d8? Okay.
Yeah.
5d8. 27.
Ooh, okay, that's good. That's actually what I have to make. Wisdom save for them. Their wisdom are not really good. Uh, they're zombies, so hindi naman good ang wisdom nila.
It's so.
It's over. Let's see. Anong DC mo?
Wait, saan niya ulit makikita
I-
yun? Sorry.
Sa spell was
Spells.
or sa center-ish ng...
Fuck! DC 16.
Oh! Yeah, they fail. Each of them take 27.
Oh, wow. Oh, okay.
And, yeah. How do you invoke the... Wait, let me pick a more thematic song. Wait, goddamn. Let me play this song and describe
my God.
what everyone sees as you invoke
Holy
the power of Joe Henry.
Okay. Sa bag na dala-dala ni Father Kalos, there's this holy, quote-unquote, symbol na for some odd reason, itim siya. It's a cross. Just an ordinary cross.
Inverted cross or
But
circular
I
cross?
mean, the first time na ginamit siya ni Kalos, hindi siya gumana dahil nakalimutan ni Kalos na baliktad nga pala. So yeah, it's an inverted cross. Then, Kalos in Infernal, langit, lupa, impyerno.
Putang ina.
Impyerno. Then a burst of black, holy damage spread. And then a silhouette of Joe Henry, quote unquote.
How does
With-
the silhouette appear? May features ba that the party sees?
Well, they see
Or do
daggers.
you want the party to see?
They see daggers around the silhouette. There are like 6 or 7 daggers around it.
Whoa!
How many?
6, 7.
Say that again.
6, 7.
6, 7 daggers.
And a lots of quote unquote blood, holy blood. But yeah, that's Joe Henry. Like silhouette lang siya.
Okay. And by calling upon the unholy powers of your revered deity, Joe Henry, a burst of unholy fire sweeps the entire circle of, it sweeps dome around you, completely eradicating these three undead away from existence. You see these wood, while not really undead, because they're not really humans. You see your unholy black fire cling onto their dark branches. And as the surge of unholy fire surrounds the party, does anyone here speak Draconic?
Wait. No. Oh, I just realized something. You know when when Talia and Kalos were speaking, Barbara understands Infernal.
Infernal.
So
What?
I mean, you were
yeah,
weirded out kasi parang tinanong ni Carlos, kalbo ka ba
yeah,
kanina? When
bald. It's like he's
seeing
not
tayo
bald.
with
He has really luscious long hair. Kalos is silly.
Carlos is insane. Yeah, so
Um,
as Unholy Blackfire engulfs the pala dinagdagan ko kasi binawasan ko, tinignan ko, ilan yung roll nila, yun lang yung ilalagay ko. Pala dinagdagan ko, ano ba yan? But yeah, as your surroundings, like as Blackfire kinda recedes back into your being, Father Kalos, everyone you hear it at first. Um, Heavy swooping noises from above you. You hear it first, and then you feel the air around you seem to pulsate, seem to beat. Like, hindi ko alam kung mapipick up, but like,
we
and
do
then
not
siya
pick it
napipick
up.
up like, whooshing sound, whoosh, 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 whoosh. And then, in Draconic, because it doesn't care if no one speaks Draconic. Dapat, ano yung entrance niya. You see this. You see, what you see is its shadow on the ground. Ano ang itsura ng wings niya? Ano yung measurement ng wings niya? Wait. It doesn't say. Yeah, it doesn't really say. Okay, that's fine. You see its shadow on the ground. Lagay ko na din. Flies above you, turns swiftly, and then lands in front of Father Kalos and says,
Hmm. Did you do that, Kalos?
What
says,
the hell?
very good, Pinakarat.
Oh, what did he just call you?
I see that you are among his gifted acolytes. I am not here to fight. I am here to struck a deal. Because that's what you humans are good at. Doing errands for creatures stronger than you are. Isn't that right? Pina? Or should I say Kalos? Since that's your preferred name now. Isn't it?
Eh,
Wait, do I know this?
Oh, you. It is unfortunate that you have no chance to get to know me just yet. But they call me Venom Fang, and I have come across your rather unpleasant scent when you were trapasing around my domain. I should thank you Hence why you have not felt my might just yet for cleaning that ruined castle out, for getting rid those unfortunate looking pests that seem to plague the area. And I am not talking about those brain creatures. The green dragon laugh, seeming to be the only one who understands the inside joke it just made. But I am not too arrogant as to, of course, face such mighty warriors. Mighty. Sorry. Instead, I believe we have mutual interest, don't we? Pinakurat, Gundren, and then you, of course, copycat, or whatever it is you creatures call your race. Species? Forgive me. It's been about 50 years since I woke up. I have not really caught up with the politically correct terms, I should say. But do something for me, and I do something for you. How does that sound? The dragon steps, puffs away your um infernal fire, Father Kalos. And this is where we'll end the session for today. Short and sweet lang siya kasi I need 4 people for this to continue.
What do you mean? We can take him. Look at it. We can take him. What is his what's his size value? 1, 2, 3, 4. Colossal. We can take colossal.
But yeah, I just really need to set this up. We're out of Cragmo. We have this dragon, depending on whether you'll take his deal next week, and then the week after that, it would be the cave, and wrapping up the first arc of this adventure. Thank you for showing up, guys, and yeah, that's where we'll end the session.
Take him. Look at him. We can take him.
Who's Korat?
Can I?
Who is
can I
Karat?
just can we just take a long rest before we left the castle?
No.
Ah!
I mean, wala eh. Hindi yung sinabi kanina that nag-long rest kayo. I mean,
Oh my God.
dadamihan ko lang yung zombies, pero... ano
Guys,
yun?
hindi ko naman sinasadya. Gusto ko lang gamitin yung Sir Undead.
What kind of spell did you
Yes.
learn?
I just learned a new spell. I want to use it. Hindi ko alam to.
No, that's really good, actually. Pero, yeah. Ang gagawin ko dapat is like, at least 2 waves of... Yeah, but yeah, this is a lot better. But yeah, thank you guys for showing up, attending this week's session. I hope to have you next session.
Wait,
and then we can
what's the name of this dragon? Wala
introduce
pang ano?
himself
Wala.
as
Venom.
Venom Fang.
Venom Fang.
We
Okay.
are Venom.
We are.
Fang.
Okay.
You're so Venom Fang.
Or Venom.
Why does he know Korat? Who the hell is Korat?
The Legend of Korat.
Why don't you tell us, huh? Who's Korat, huh?
Pinakorat?
Well. Ayun, thank you guys for showing up. It really is, yeah, short and sweet lang talaga
Wait,
tong
kailan
session
yung
na
next
to.
natin?
Next
Tangina.
week.
Oh shit.
May 2
Do I take the
is
deal
straight
or what?
natin. May 2, hindi pa naririnig ko anong gusto niya. May 2, May 9, May 16.
May 2, okay.
May 2, yeah, sure, May 2 yung next session. Or, if free kayo ng Friday, we can do Friday night kasi wala namang pasok kasi Labor Day.
Holidays.
Imagine having holidays.
What's up? Talking about
Haha.
holidays.
But yeah, we can do, hindi pala May 2, May 3, we can do May 3, May 10, 17. If not, pero yeah, mahaba-haba yung, or baka hindi naman, tignan natin. Hindi ka naman kakalabanin yung dragon, di ba?
Silly joke.
I mean, here, you don't, yeah. But yeah, thank you for attending today's session,
It's
guys.
like you haven't met me before.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yeah, ayun. Thank you, guys. GG's.
GG's.
JJ.
Jesus Christ. Alright, let's fight the green dragon, guys. What's the worst that can
Is
happen?
it too early? Is it too early?
No,
I
we're level
mean,
5.
we're level 5.
What is this? Ancient? What is it,
Level
ancient?
5. Tayo na. Ay, ito ata yung unang dragon fight ko sa 5E.